Then we go to page 2, right? And there's a couple ways you can add income. So first section is income. One nice feature here is you click this little box here, you have this come up. If they have a salary, let's say they make $72,000 a year, boom, automatically calculates and you're done. 6,000, okay? Or let's say they make semi-monthly is they're paid twice a month. Bi-weekly is paid every 2 weeks. So there's 26 cycles. So if someone makes $2,000 bi-weekly, don't just take that and times it by 2, because that's only 4,000. They're really making $4,333. Okay. If someone has extra income, let's say they have Social Security, you always have to put a B for borrower or C for co-borrower, and then let's say they have Social Security and they make $2,000 a month from that. See how that shows up right here? If you don't put in the B, guess what? That goes away. So always put that B or the C right there. Okay. Now, always put their first mortgage in, whatever it is. Okay. And then you put hazard insurance, which is homeowners insurance, taxes right here. Over here is your monthly payment, and it'll automatically populate homeowners insurance and taxes. Okay. Now, if you're doing a government loan, to add in mortgage insurance, if you have mortgage insurance, you always got to do this. Never forget to do this. The only time you don't click this button is if they're doing a conventional loan with more than 20% down. Okay. If they are doing any other type of loan less than 20% down on conventional, you must take care of this. Okay. So you click this button. If it's on FHA or USDA, you just hit the Get MI button, and then you hit OK, and you're done. All right. If you're doing VA, you need to put in the funding fee here. 2.15 if they're regular military, 2.4 if they're reserve, 3.3 if it's subsequent use. They've already had a VA loan. Okay. And then you hit OK, and you're done. If you're doing conventional, you do not add mortgage insurance here, but you go to services, order mortgage insurance, and you check one of them. I always just go with Genworth. And it's going to put the coverage in here. Now, if you look up here, my loan to value is between 85 and 90%. The MI coverage at that point is 25. If you're putting down 5 to 9.99%, this number needs to be 30. If you're putting down 10 to 14.99%, this number needs to be 25. If you're putting down 15 to 19.99%, this number needs to be 12. And if you're not sure, just check that box I just did, and you'll see it right here. There's your 30, there's your 25, there's your 12. Now, if you're doing less than 20 years, like a 15-year, then your factor goes down to 25, 12, and 6. So let's go ahead and cancel all that. Let's kill that, and let's do another.